Today, I'm going to be diving into another important topic, which is unauthorized credit card charges from Sprslim Sandusky whole age, which can also be known as Ohio. Okay. Now, if you've noticed any mysterious charges from this brand on your credit card statement, or maybe you just see this kind of email from this from your credit card issuer telling you that you got charged a so amount of dollars from SPR Slim Sandusky or OH, then you're not alone. Okay, a lot of people have been on this table, and that is why today I'm going to be exploring the reason behind these charges and also some potential solutions that you can address effectively. Okay, so now the first one is the identifying the source. Okay, because let's understand who and what SPR Slim Sandusky OH is, because this brand might be unfamiliar to many. Okay, a lot of people have been asking who are this brand. I don't even know what it is or how that. Possibly maybe you don't know, or possibly maybe you might have purchased from them or something. Okay, because this brand has led to confusion. Okay, and when the charges appear on credit card statements. Okay? So it's essential to investigate the source of these charges to determine if they are legitimate or unauthorized. Okay, online purchase can be one of the reasons. Okay, because SPR Slim, which is in Sandusky, Ohio, is kind of a wellness platform, okay, or wellness brand. So maybe you've gone there to possibly, or you've purchased a service from them in the past from SPR Slim, okay, or any wellness company in Sandusky, Ohio. So it can be one of the reasons for this. Okay, so maybe you've used the service of SPR Slim in the past for your wellness and well-being. Maybe you bought something from them, like a slimming stuff from them. Then that can be the reason. Okay, or possibly if that is not, then you might have you, because there are a lot of wellness services in Sandusky in Ohio. There are a lot of wellness brands there that I've seen, and maybe one of them can be linked, or there can be a data breach. So you need to know that. Okay, so because without recognizing the name due to variations in billing descriptors, so you might have purchased from this brand before. Okay, now subscription service, it is also possible that you mistakenly subscribe to a service or membership offered by SPR Slim, okay, which can lead to recurring charges. Okay, so maybe you've mistakenly done that without you knowing. Okay, maybe when you are making purchase, then you subscribe auto renewal for a service or for their service, and you didn't know, then that can also lead to this unexpected or unauthorized charge on your credit card. Okay, fraudulent activity can also be this, because just like I told you the whole time, in some cases unauthorized individuals or entities may use your credit card information to make fraudulent charges, okay, under the guise of legitimate business like SPR Slim, Sandusky, or OH. Okay, so also this kind of stuff occurs, okay, whereby unauthorized individuals or entities may use your credit card information. Okay, so and they might use the disguise of this brand. Okay, or possibly also it might be maybe one of the brands in Ohio in Sandusky that actually use this type of information. Like they might use your data or your credit card information, and they might use it in disguise of this kind of SPR Slim brand. Okay, now what are the steps that you need to take, because you need to have some steps that you need to put into consideration before you can get result. Now the first thing is that you need to review your transactions. Okay, you need to start by carefully reviewing your recent credit card statements to identify any unfamiliar charges from SPR Slim Sandusky. So go ahead, check out your credit card statement and see if you've made any purchase in the past from SPR Slim. If not, then definitely maybe there is something wrong. Okay, so you need to track the transaction to see where it comes from by going ahead to speak with your bank, okay, or your credit card issuer to know exactly what is wrong. Because if there is no purchase from SPR Slim in the past, then definitely there is something wrong somewhere. It's possible that there is a brand that is possibly disguising in their name. Okay, yeah, all right, so that can be the main reason. Okay, so you need to know that. And also, if it is that maybe you've purchased from them in the past, then you might want to reach the SPR Slim department, okay, their customer support, to help you out. Okay, so reaching their customer support to inquire about the charges and seek clarification. Okay, or you can provide relevant details such as transaction dates, amount, and any other of account numbers associated with the charges. Okay, unfortunately I'm not even able to get more information about SPR Slim online, so it's kind of a little bit difficult to even know if they are legitimate. Okay, because making research online, I wasn't able to see any information regarding SPR Slim, so this might be from a company that we are not really certain about. All right, and also this put unauthorized charges. So in case you determine that the charges are indeed unauthorized, then you can contact your credit card issuer immediately to dispute them. Okay, now most issuers have protocols in place for handling unauthorized transactions, and it can initiate investigation to resolve the issue. Okay, also you want to monitor account activity. So going forward, remain vigilant and monitor your credit card account activities regularly. Okay, so try as much as possible to report any suspicious charges promptly to your credit card issuer to prevent further unauthorized transactions. Okay, now before we round this up, let's talk about some preventive measures. Okay, some prevention measures that you can put in place so that it can mitigate the risk of future unauthorized credit card charges. Okay, and you can also consider implementing the following prevention measures. Okay, now the first one is checking security settings. Okay, so make sure that you review the security settings of your online accounts, okay, and ensure that they are configured to prevent unauthorized access or transactions. Okay, so try as much as possible. You can also use others password manager, okay, to prevent your bitwording, okay, to prevent your data, all right, and boost your security. Okay, tighten the security level of your online account. And also you can use secure payment methods. Okay, you can opt for secure payment methods such as credit card with fraud protection features when making online purchases. Okay, there are some credit cards like that they help you with fraud protection features when making online purchases. Okay, so and another one is enabling transaction alert. A lot of people do not enable transaction alert on their credit card, which is very bad. So to make sure that you set up transaction alerts in your credit card account to receive notifications for any unusual or suspicious activity. Okay, you also need to stay informed. Okay, stay informed about common scams and fraud tactics. Okay, used to obtain credit card information. Maybe you can from time to time watch some of my videos so that you can educate yourself on how to protect your personal and financial data. All right, so those are the things that are for you in today's video, and I'm just gonna close this that with unauthorized credit card charges from Sprslim Sandusky OH, which I really can't get their data online. Can be unsettling. Okay, but by taking proactive steps and staying vigilant, it can effectively address and prevent them. Okay, and also remember that protecting your financial security is very much paramount. Okay, so don't hesitate to take actions if you encounter any suspicious activity on your credit card account. All right, so that is what I have for you today. And also, if you have any experience with these guys, also maybe they've charged you, maybe when you're on the line trying to make a payment or whatever, you just saw an email from your credit card issuer telling you that you just got charged a so amount from Sprslim Sandusky, Ohio. Then maybe you've also experienced it, and if there's any measure that you've taken and it's worked for you, you can let us know. Okay, or possibly some of the things that you're able to do to help you to prevent these from happening. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you found this video or information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on financial security and also customer protection, and also anything related to credit card charges. I drop them here. And until next time, stay safe and stay informed. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.